Hey everyone, I'm Katie.
And I'm Lori.
And today we are at Angelina, here right by Bryant Park. So we are on 6th Avenue, just to the south of 40th Street. If you recognize the name, this is a New York City offshoot of the very famous Angelina from Paris, which has been in existence for 120 years already. So we got their hot chocolate. We both got small hot chocolates.
Yeah.
Let's do a first taste.
That's really good.
It's really good. So Angelina is going to be like a thicker, really rich hot chocolate.
Yeah.
So this is the small. I probably won't finish this.
Yeah, I think we could have split the small.
Yes, definitely. So it's well worth doing. Now, I'm lucky enough to have been to the original Angelina in Paris, and I will say, while this location does not have the history, of course, of that location, it actually has a really similar look and a feel to it. So my recommendation, I think, for this is if you want to try Angelina, give yourself enough time to actually go and sit down at a table and take in the atmosphere. Would you agree?
Yeah, and their desserts are ridiculous.
They're so good.
They're expensive, so
yes.
keep that in mind.
And so is their hot chocolate, by the way. And that's maybe the other reason I would recommend trying to make it more of an experience, more of a sit-down.
So we have these two smalls, and that came out to $17 and change.
Yeah.
Two of them.
So they are pricey. But I think if you're looking to do something a little bit special, or if you have like young children and you wanted to take them to go do something nice, but where they don't have to sit for that long, Angelina would be fun because you could sit, you can have a hot chocolate, you're not going to be there for that long. And location-wise, we're right by Bryant Park. We're right in the heart of Midtown, so we're near a lot of things you might be around doing anyway. If you're going ice skating, going to Indian Market, going up to Rockefeller Center to see the tree, this is really pretty close by.
So our Facebook group members recommended Angelina's as one of the top hot chocolate places. We will be trying more.
Yes.
And,
All right. Cheers.